Good morning, students. Today we will learn our next number lesson, fourth number lesson, communication technology. Now, many types of communication is available nowadays. We are using many different types of networking technologies. So that we will see today in this lesson. Uh, Interconnectivity of two or more autonomous systems or devices with each other through some communication channel such that they can exchange their data or utilize the resources of each other is called computer network. We are in the need of communication channels which can move the data quickly from one place to another place so that the information and the resources can be shared easily at distant location. So we are sharing our data, exchanging data. So this is called a computer network. In this computer networking, different types of advantages of computer networking is also information and resource sharing, to transfer data file, sharing of storage area, communication using different means, and fast and accurate communication, economical and reliable. So this is all advantages of networking. Next point is types of computer networking. A computer networking can consist of just a few computers connected within a small geographical area, or it can made up of hundreds of computers spread across the world. So based on the complexity, size or geographical area covered by the networks, they are categorized as follows. Now we will see types of computer networking. There are four types of computer networking: LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. So one by one we will discuss. First is LAN. LAN is a small group of computer or devices connected in a small geographical area like a room, building or a campus. The size of this network can range from 0 to 10 kilometer. So for example, in our computer lab in school campus we can use the LAN connection. So this is also type of network, LAN, local area network. Okay. Next type is MAN, metropolitan area network. This type of network is larger in size as compared to LAN. So is its geographical area can be a large as a city or even more. This connect to or more LAN spread across the city and range from 10 to 50 kilometer. And in this type of hardware devices, using types of hardware devices like a hub, switch, router, etc. This is our MAN, metropolitan area network. Now next type is WAN, 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 wide area network. WAN covers a larger area spread across the city, country or continent, which means any network that is a spread beyond 50 kilometer area. So the transmission medium like telephone lines, radio or microwave, satellite channels, etc. in this type of network, that is a wide area network. This type of network used in a large organization whose offices are spread across the country or across the organizations, big city, provides them interconnectivity. The internet is one of the largest WAN spanning the entire globe. So that is a WAN. Now next type is that is a PAN, PAN, personal area network. This type of network is used to provide connectivity to the devices like printers, scanners, cell phones, PDAs, etc. belonging to an individual. The coverage area of this network is a very small and is in the range of just 5 to 10 meters. Next type is communication channels. Next topic is communication channel. During the process of communication between the two devices, the one which sends the information is called transmitter and the other which receives the information is called receiver. So, in communication channel, one is transmitter who is sending information and who received that is a receiver. So, in this communication channel, two types of channel: wired communication technologies and second one is wireless communication technology we are using. So first we will discuss wired communication technology. In this wired communication technology, different types of wires or cables can be used to transmit the data in the wired technology, like coaxial cables, twisted cables and optic fiber cables. So first one is coaxial cables. These type of cables are generally used in the cable network systems to send their television signal to the TV sets. These are made of hard copper wires surrounded by insulator. Second type, that is a twisted pair cable. This type of cable are commonly used to connect system and devices in a local area network for data communication application. They consist of four pairs of insulated copper wire of about 1 mm thickness, as each pair is twisted to reduce the interference of signal between different pairs. So this is the twisted pair cable. And third one is optical fiber cable. These are highly reliable cables to carry the information quickly over the long distance. These are made up of ultra thin fibers of glass called core that can carry light from a source at one end to a detector at the other end. So this is also third part, optical fiber cables. Now next type means we saw communication channel. In that two types of technology, wired communication technology and second wireless communication technology. First we saw wire communication technology, now we will see wireless communication technology. So in this technology there is a no physical medium like a wire present to guide the signal to the destination. So it is a wireless. So in this wireless, first is a radio waves and microwaves transmission, second is Bluetooth, third one Wi-Fi technology and infrared, and fifth is WiMAX. So this type of wireless technology we are using. First one is radio waves and microwaves transmission. These channels are used to transmit the data without the use of cables over long distance. And in same way in Bluetooth also, Bluetooth technology is a global short range wireless standard that allows various electronic devices to communicate with each other. So Bluetooth we are using in mobile also. Bluetooth connection, through Bluetooth we are receiving data also. Then next is a infrared. This technology is used to connect the computing device using short range wireless signals. Then that means below red the visible light has wavelengths that range from red light to violet. Then infrared light lies between the visible and microwave portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. So that's why this is not visible to the human eyes. So this is the infrared. Next is a Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi also we are using in mobile also. So Wi-Fi is the name of a popular wireless networking technology that use radio waves to provide wireless high-speed internet and network connection. And last one is a WiMAX. WiMAX is a wireless digital communication system, also known as IEEE 802.16. So that is intended for wireless metropolitan area network, WMAN. It is a it is an IP based wireless broadband access technology, and it offers a greater range and throughout as compared to Wi-Fi connection. So these are wireless communication technology.